morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
My name is Vishal Kiste.
Good
I hope,
morning.
yes. I am from Shivdi Crossroad, MPS. And before 2 5 days, we meet, and also again we have met for learning
Hello,
mathematics.
sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn mathematics subject. So on behalf of
Okay.
that, our topic name is measuring time. Measuring time.
Time.
We can also say it as telling the time. Means some whenever we are going to ask someone what's the time, and that person is tell us that 5 o'clock or 3:15. In likewise, our day-to-day life, we are going to ask and telling the time to someone, or asking to someone or telling to someone. Yes or no? So today we
Yes,
are
sir.
going.
Yes.
So on behalf of that, today we are going to learn how to tell a time and how to measure a time. Okay.
I know how to tell the time.
Okay, very good. So here is a clock, and in that you can see there are 12 numbers on in clock, and also there are two hands in green color,
Then
which
is
is
a
long
minute.
hand. Yes. In green color there is a long hand, which is called minute hand, and in red color, which is in short,
In the called hot hand. Hot hand.
In short is our hand.
our hand. Very good.
Our
It is
hand.
our hand, and the long hand, it is called minute hand. Very good.
There will be 4 o'clock and there will be on 10. Then we have to tell five tables. 5 is the 5, 2 is the 10, 3 is the 15, 4 is the 20, 5 is the 25, 5 6 is the 30, 5 7 is the 35, 5 8 is the 40, 5 9 is the 45, 5 10 is the 50.
Very good. So here are 60 minutes in clock face. In every interval of two number, there is a interval of 5 minutes in every two numbers. For example, in between 12 and 1, there is interval of 5 minutes. In between 1 and 2, there is a interval of 5. Okay, but where we are going to calculate from 12, that's why the interval between 12 and 2 is a
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5, it is 10 minutes. So that's why uh, the number 5 is increasing by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on, and up to the 60. That's why there are 60
We'll be
minutes.
adding like
In
5
1
to the
hour.
Yes,
5,
we are going.
55, we will adding 60. There will be.
Yes. There will be addition of 5 minutes in every interval. So that's why the total minutes of a clock is 60 minutes. Okay. And there are 12 numbers on a clock.
Let's telling why we will be counting only 5 tables.
There are
The hands of time. Count the numerals on the clock. Here are 12 numerals. Yes or no? Here are
Yeah.
12. Yes.
yes.
And a small hand is called hour hand, and a long hand is called minute hand. Okay. Now
Yes.
telling. Now we are going to tell times in AM, PM, or in a 24-hour clock. In a
When
day
it
to
will go so it's them and जब तक
Normally the time is shown as hours, minutes.
Yes.
There are 24 hours in a day and 60 minutes in each hour.
Yes. There are 24 hours, but in our
time
un- in
and
our day-to-day
hours
life, in every
that
home or in every school, there is a clock which have only 12 numbers. That's why we are always telling a time in AM or PM type. Okay. So what is
Yes.
how to know or how to tell time in AM or PM? Whenever
12
there is 12 in night
When
in mid.
so
night called AM and
Yes, yes.
when there is night,
it's
there is
called PM.
Very good, very good. From night.
there is AM.
Yes,
When
yes, yes, yes.
AM we are refreshing
And in
heart
afternoon to
and
night there is PM.
when
Where,
we PM we are refreshing to the heart past noon.
yes, yes, yes. Whenever I am going to ask you, then you have to read it. Okay. First of all, listen carefully. So from midnight, the time will start from 1. So that's why we are going to say from midnight to afternoon to noon, there is a AM session. And from noon to the night, there is a PM session. So whenever we say AM, we are referring to the hours before noons. And then whenever we are going to say PM, then we are going to referring that hour is after noon or past noon. Okay. When the minute hand is pointing to 12 and when it is read as o'clock, only it is read as o'clock whenever minute hand is on 12. And in this case, whenever the our hand is in pointing the 3, so it is a 3 o'clock. Okay, understand? So that's why we are going to, whenever someone asks you what's the time, and we supposed to tell him or her that is a 4 o'clock. So why we are saying that o'clock? Because the long hand, that is minute hand, is on 12, pointing a 12. So
And
that's
small is on 4 o'clock.
so that's why whenever going to any minute, whenever minute hand is pointing the 12, so that's why it is called o'clock. So that's why whenever our hand is on 3, so we read it as, or we are telling the time like 3 o'clock. Now the minute hand is pointing to the 12 and our hand is pointing to the 5, so we read the time as 5 o'clock. What we read the time? 5 o'clock.
Clock.
Very good. So here is a time. So what's the time it is?
12 o'clock.
Yes, because
Small and big hands will be on the 12. That's why
y-
we call 12 o'clock.
yes, yes. Small hand is on 12. That's why it is a 12. And long hand is also on 12. So that's why it's a o'clock. Okay. We can call it as o'clock also.
O'clock.
Now any clock is divided into four parts, which is
Clock
called as
divided into four equal sections.
yes, yes. So very good.
Matters.
That's
Each
why it
sets
is.
spends 50
Listen,
minutes.
first of all, listen carefully, then speak. Okay. There are every clock is divided into four equal parts, and that equal parts are called quarters. So that's why whenever we are going to read any quarter, the section, that four sections is always in 15 minutes. Four section is of 15 minutes. Every section is of 15 minutes. So that's why 15 multiplied by 4 equals to 60 minutes. So whole clock is completed in four quarters. So here is a design you can see carefully from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 or 6. So it is after 12, that is a past 12. This time is called, whenever the time shows after 12, it is called past 12. That is a past time. Okay. For example, uh, here is a 5 minutes. If minute hand is on 1, it means the 5 minutes over. So that's why it is a past 5 minutes, past 10 minutes, past 15 minutes, past 20 minutes. Likewise, quarter from 12 to 3, it is one quarter. From 12 to 6, it's a half part of a clock. So it is a half of a whole clock. From 6 to 12, it is a next half, but it is called as 2. In previous slide, we see that past 12. Now it is 2:12. We can see it is a 2:12. In quarter from 6 to 9, it is also quarter 2. In this clock, you can see very clearly that 12 is called as a O clock, and from 12 to 6, it is half part, and 12 to 3, it is quarter part. So that's why it is a quarter past. From 12 to 3, it is a quarter past. From 12 to 6 is a half past. Likewise, from 6 to 9, it is quarter to. And from 9 to 12, it is a, 6 to 12, it is a half to. Okay. So now we are going to read the time. How to read the time? What's the time it is? So it is o'clock. So what's the time it is? Anybody? Anybody please tell. Here it is.
1 o'clock.
Yes, very good. 1 o'clock. Here is long hand is on 12 and short hand is on 1. So that's why it is called 1 o'clock. Very good. After that, here is a short hand is on 10 and long hand is on 3. So that's why it is a past quarter. After 12, that's why after o'clock, that's why it is a past quarter. So whenever we read that small hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 3. So it is past quarter 10. It's a quarter past 10. It's a quarter past 10. Now here minute hand is on 4. It means that on minute 20 and our hand is on 7. So it is called 20 past 7. 20 past 7. In generally we say that 7:20, 7:15, 7:05, but in a regular way it's called 20 past 7. Okay, it's a half. It means small hand or our hand is on 9 and minute hand is on 6. So it is called half past 9. What it is called?
9.
Yes, half past 9. In generally we we tell that 9:30, but it is half past 9. What? Half past 9. Now quarter 2. From the time will going from 6 to 12. So that's why it is we read it to 2. So whenever small hand is on 1 and long hand is on 9, so it is quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. It means time one will be on future. So that's why it's quarter to 1. Here is also minute hand is on 7 and our hand is on 4. So it's what's the time?
20.
25 to 5.
Yes, 25 to
5.
Okay. Now it's your turn to read the time. Okay. So try to read the time. Okay. Now tell me what's the time?
7:30.
7 to
Don't tell 7:30.
30 to 7.
30 to 7.
7
Is it
equator. 7 equator.
minute hand is on 6
7
and
for 7 for past 6 quarter.
it's a half past 7. What it is time? Half past 7. Because it is a after half time. So that's why half past 7. I told before that from 12 to 6 it is a past time, and from 6 to 12 it is a two time. Okay. So whenever we are going to read before 6, so every time you have to read like past, half past 7, or past 7, or past 8, past 9, likewise. Now here is a small hand, that is our hand is on 11 and minute hand is on 2, means on
11
10.
past 2 quarter.
uh, read properly.
11
uh,
quarter to past.
no, it's a 10 past 11. It's a 10 past 11. It means that after 11 o'clock there is a 10 minutes left, so that's why 10 past 11. Okay. Now what's the time?
7 past 45.
7 past 45. I
Yes.
to- no. After 6, it is 2. You have to read 2 after 6. So whenever minute hand cross the 6, then it will be the time 2. So what will be the time? 8, 8 to
7
quarter.
to 45.
It's a quarter to 8. It's a quarter to 8, because here is a quarter time will be left to be time 8 o'clock. So that's why it's a quarter to 8. Okay. Now what's the time it is?
1
Mi-
past 11.
minute hand is on 12, that is
Yes.
o'clock, and our hand is on 1. So simple. 1 o'clock. It's a 1 o'clock. Yeah. It's a very simple time. That's minute hand is on 12, and our hand is on 1. So that's why it's a 1 o'clock. Now here is anybody? Where is minute hand?
3.
On 3 there is minute hand, and on 5 here is our hand. So yes. So it is quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5. Okay. After 5 o'clock there is a quarter time. So that's why it's a quarter past 5. Okay. Now here is a minute hand on is on 4. It means that on minute 20, and our hand is on 9. So it is, what's the time?
9 past 20.
Very good. Very good. It's a 20 past 9. First of all, you have to take minutes and then take hour. Okay. So it's a 20 past 9. Well try. Now here after 6 you have to read 2. Okay. It's a 25. It's a 25 to 3. It's a 25 to 3, because 25 minutes are left to 3. That's why it's a 25 to 3. Now some important facts about time. Here are 1 minute means, yeah,
16 seconds.
60 minutes, 24 hours, 1 equator hour, 1 half hour, and 15 minutes, 1 quarter.
yes. Very good. So you have to remember these important facts. Okay. So again we are going to revise our session so that you can able to understand very clearly about time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here, what's the time it is?
It's 1 o'clock.
It's a 1 o'clock, because our hand is on 1 and minute hand is on 12. So that's why
12.
it's a 1 o'clock. Very good. Now it is a past quarter time. Uh, remember, every after 12 to 6, it is a past time. And from 6 to 12, it is a two time. So always use these words whenever the minute hand is after 12, but between 6, 12 to 6. Minute hand is between 12 to 6, then we have to use past. And whenever the minute hand is between 6 to 12, so we have to use 2. Okay,
It
so
is
that's why
equator
it's a
past 10.
quarter. Yes, it's a quarter past 10. Very
10.
good. Very good. Now here is minute hand is between 12 to 6, so that's why we have to use past. So anybody
Past.
12, so tell me the time now.
7.
Very good.
7 past 20.
Very good. It's 7 past 20, or we called it as 20 past
20
7.
past 7.
Every time, first of all, use minute and then use hour. Okay. Uh, it is a half time. So how to read this time?
Half.
Half.
Yes, very good.
Half.
Half past
Half past.
Half.
half past 9. Our
Half
hand is on
past
9.
9.
So that's why it's a half past
Past
9.
9.
Very good.
Half past 9.
Very
It's
good.
half past 9.
Okay. Now I told you that after 6. Anybody please mute your mic. Somebody have a very disturbing voice, so please mute your mic.
हसन खान से प्यारी आवाज
No.
So from 6 to 12, it's a quarter and half time. Okay, so you have to use 2. Okay, so it's a
Quarter to 1.
quarter
Quarter
to,
to 1.
yes, it's a quarter to 1.
1.
Here is our hand is on 4, between 4 and 5, and minute hand is on
7.
7. So
Past 20 minutes.
it's a 25. It's a
5
20.
to 5.
Yes, 25 to. It's a 25 to 5. Very good.
5.
Now again you have to read the clock.
It's 35 to it's 35 to 7. 37.
It's a half past 7. Very good. It's a half past 7.
Half
That
past
is
7.
yes. Next,
11 to it's
Half.
11 past to 10.
first of all take minute and then
10
hour.
past 11.
Past
Very,
to 11.
very good. 10 past 11. It's a 10 past 11. Next,
45 past 7.
Equator 7. Equator to 7.
little mistake. Try again.
No, it's quarter 95. No, it's quarter
75.
7.
It's a quarter to 8. It's quarter to 8.
8.
It's quarter to 8. Very good.
Its clock is on 9 o'clock.
So
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Very good. 1
No,
o'clock.
sir, it's 1 o'clock.
Yes, it's a 1 o'clock. Next,
15 past 5. 15
Don't you-
past 5.
Equator to 5.
where quarter to, not a quarter to. What I told before, that from 12 to 6 you have to use past.
5. Yes, sir. It's 15 past 5.
It's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past.
Five.
Quarter past 5.
Yes, because we have divided our clock in a 4 quarters. So that's why use quarter and half. Okay. Now what's the time it is?
4. 4. No.
20 past 9.
Past.
20 past 9.
Past 9.
Very
Past
20
past
past
9, sir.
9.
the
Past
time is
9.
20 past 9. Time is
9.
20 past 9. Very good.
I told quarter only.
Yes.
20 past 9.
Yes. Now
It's 7 quarter past 2.
35 quarter past 2.
don't use past and to simultaneously. Okay. It's a quarter. Sorry, it's a 25 to 3.
25 to 3.
Yes, 25 to 3. Okay. So again we have to take one revision so you can understand, you better understand. So after this session you have to read your chapter in your book so you can understand how to read time. Okay, and practice it in day to day life so you are better to familiar about your time. So likewise, whenever someone asks you that what's the time, and you suddenly tell that 7:30, 7:45. So don't use like this. You have to tell that quarter past 7, likewise, or quarter to 8. If there is a time 7:30, so you have to tell them half past 7. If there is a time 7:45, so you have to tell that quarter to 8. If there is a 7:15, so you have to tell quarter past 7. Okay, so day to day life you have to use this type of words, then it gets familiar to you. Okay, do you get my point?
Yes.
So and these are some important facts of time, and you have to remember this time that 1 minute means 60 seconds. Likewise, 1 hour is a 60 minute. One day is of a 24 hour, and one half hour means 30 minutes, and one quarter hour means 15 minutes. Yes, very good. Here is some homework to you that you have to write the time shown on which is shown in each clock. So in first, second, third, and fourth, there are 4 clocks, and you have to read that time and write in a box. Okay. Second question is also draw the hands of a clock to the show the time given in the box. So here is you give a time that is a 4:30. So you have to draw that hands, long hand and short hand, that hour hand and minute hand. You have to draw. Where is a 4:30? Where is a quarter past 9? Where is a quarter to 5? And 20 past 11, 20 minute past 11. So you have to draw here hands of a clock. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So the first question you can see here that minute hand is on 5 and our hand is between 2 and 3. So what's the time? Minute hand is on 5 and our hand is between 2 and 3. So what's the time?
2, 5.
It's a 20 past 2. It's a 25 past 2.
Past.
Yes, 25 past 2. In second clock, our hand is on 8 and minute hand is on 10. So 10 to 8. It's a 10 minute to 8. Okay. So likewise, here is also our hand is on 8 and minute hand is on 1. So
1.
5 minute past 8. 5 minute past 8.
8.
Yes. Here is also a minute hand is on 8 and our hand is on 5. So what's the time? 22 or 20 minute to 5. 20 minute to 5. Okay. Likewise, the second you have to draw the diagrams or draw the hands in the clock. Okay. So today we have learned how to measure or how to tell a time. I hope you understand all the session. Okay. So thanks to all and stay home, stay happy. Okay.